Welcome! Before we dive into the technical process, let's take a look at the final product. This is what we're going to build.
The rest stop that wasn't there. Wait, has anyone ever seen a rest stop appear on a road you drive every day? Because I swear this wasn't here yesterday. A guy was driving home late, same 2-lane highway, 0 turns. But tonight, a glowing rest station sign appeared on the right. Clean bathrooms, bright lights, vending machines humming, but the parking lot completely empty.
Now, let's break down how this was made. The foundation is an audio file, a short horror story. We start by locating our source material. Here it is, horror22.mp3. We play the audio to confirm it's the right file.
That wasn't there. Wait, has anyone ever seen a rest stop appear on
This is our script, our story. To turn this audio into visual prompts, we first need a text transcript. We use Adobe Podcast. We upload our .mp3 file and wait for the transcription to complete. Once the transcription is finished, we have a perfect time-stamped text version of our story. We export this transcript in the SRT format. Next, we open the SRT file in a text editor like Notepad++. The transcript includes speaker labels like speaker:. Since we don't need these for our visual generation, we clean up the file by using the find and replace function to delete all instances of speaker:. After cleaning, we're left with a pure, time-stamped script. Each line corresponds to a moment in the audio. Now, we move to Grok, an AI model. We give it a very detailed system prompt. We tell Grok to act as a cinematic AI prompt generator. Its job is to take our SRT file and convert each line of dialogue into a highly specific JSON-formatted prompt for an image or video generator. We paste our entire SRT script into Grok. It processes the text and outputs a beautifully formatted JSON array. Each object in this array represents one scene. It includes a detailed description of what should be shown, style tags like cinematic illustration and graphic novel, and aspect ratio of 9:16 for vertical videos, and a version number. This is the magic step. It turns raw dialogue into actionable visual instructions. With our JSON prompts ready, we head to Google AI Studio. We paste the entire JSON block into the prompt field. This tells the AI exactly what to create for each scene. We initiate the generation process. Google AI Studio starts generating the images. One by one, the scenes come to life. We see the driver in his car, the eerie glow of the rest stop sign emerging from the fog, the sterile interior of the building, a close-up of the driver's terrified face, and finally, the unsettling figure watching him. The AI has perfectly interpreted our detailed prompts. As each image is generated, we download it. All the images are saved locally with cleared time-stamped file names, making them easy to organize and find later. Now that we have all our images, we need to organize them. We navigate to our project folder and move all the downloaded PNG files into a dedicated images directory. This keeps our workspace tidy. We do some housekeeping, deleting any old or irrelevant files from the images and output folders to avoid confusion. Finally, we run a small Python script called serialize.py. This script automatically renames all our images in numerical order, from 1 PNG to 10 PNG. This is essential for maintaining the correct sequence when we animate them later. With our images renamed and organized, we're ready for the final step. We need the specific animation prompts for each image. To get them in a clean, usable format, we ask ChatGPT to re-output the prompts, separating each one into its own code block. This makes copying and pasting much easier. We copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Meta AI's animation box. The prompt describes the desired motion, for example, a handheld shaky push-in for the first scene. We click Animate, and the AI begins to bring the static image to life with movement and emotion.
We're inside CapCut with our horror sequence already placed on the timeline. First, open the Captions tab from the top menu. Scroll through the available templates and pick one with bold yellow text to match the horror theme. Click Generate Captions to auto-create subtitles from the audio. CapCut is analyzing the dialogue line by line. Once finished, captions appear as separate text blocks synced perfectly to the audio. Next, switch to the text panel for styling. Apply the selected template to all caption layers, change the font, and set size. Preview the video and scrub through the timeline to check timing. Each subtitle enters and exits precisely with the narration. Now we export. Click Export in the top right corner, name the file, select the save location, and set the resolution to 1080p. Hit Export to start rendering. CapCut compiles visuals, animations, and captions into one final output. When the progress hits 100%, open the file in VLC Media Player to review.
The rest stop that wasn't there. Wait, has anyone ever seen a rest stop appear on a road you drive every day? Because I swear this wasn't here yesterday. A guy was driving home late, same 2-lane highway, 0 turns. But tonight, a glowing rest station sign appeared on the right. Clean bathrooms, bright lights, vending machines humming, but the parking lot completely empty.
Everything looks perfect. Clean transitions, accurate captions, and smooth pacing from start to finish. You just built a full AI horror short from scratch. That's pro level. Want more? Subscribe now.